guys, we're in Florida, look. Alright, so I freaking missed my flight. I missed it. I thought it was at like 3, but then I checked, I got an email confirmation at like 12:30 saying it's at 1. Drove all the way to the airport and they're like, yeah, F you. So I asked if there was any other flights. No other flights. So today we're gonna put on some rear brakies for the E46, guys.
I already got the fronts on, but I gotta do the brakes, the rear brakes, so.
But we're gonna go get Chipotle and then probably do the brakes, because I mean, might as well do something, you know what I'm saying? But I'm leaving tomorrow, and yeah, this sucks. All right, guys, so we're gonna get these brakes on this beam and have some freaking fun. Come here, puppy. Shh. Come here, Zoe. Oh my God, look at this dog. It's so fluffers. The brakes. What kind of brakes you get?
Some like expensive eBay brand, I guess. I don't know, I have really good reviews.
Mid-grade reviews.
Yeah, mid-grade.
Let's see what they look like. What's in the box?
I already got them on the front.
All right. Applesauce.
Ready to do these bananas.
Oh yeah. Power Stop. Yeah, they're not bad. I've heard reviews about them. Jordan Slotted, not bad. This thing is gonna be a race car. That's what they look like on the front. We're gonna get these installed. As you can see, this is our DJ table. Avery. So we're gonna get these installed. It shouldn't take too long. But you definitely need to brake because this car is old. He got new tires and everything. This car is we got a lot planned for this car. We just don't know what the hell. He doesn't know what he wants to do yet. So we're either gonna do a secret swap or just turbo this thing and rebuild it. With time, we will know. We will know. He's got the new headlights on there, so it looks fresh. He might be getting some new springs and stuff for the car too. So we'll see. With time, this build's gonna come and you guys are gonna be along with it. Also, I'm trying to get him to start doing his YouTube stuff again, but he bluffing. Cheese and rice. I loosened it for you, bro. So yeah, these were pretty worn, little dry rot taste, but we're gonna get these done. Do you have new pads? So it's gonna get fresh new pads and rotors, baby. All right, so while he's getting that other side done, I'm gonna start taking all this stuff apart as well, just to get this thing done a little bit quicker. And then we'll show you how these brakes work. Open up the new ones.
They come from the factory with like a film on them.
Yeah. I mean, it's always good to do that anyway, like you said, because you don't know, you don't want it to squeak or anything. The ABS sensor fell out of this thing, so he has to put that back in. I got my side done. He just got to do that, and then we're gonna go test these things out. Oh, there's a brand new M5. We missed it. Well, Zach just dropped all of his stuff. All right, we got to test out the little brakey brakes, you know. We're here with Mikey Mike. You guys haven't seen him in a while. He got his G. Didn't you get like all the gaskets like redone and stuff?
Yeah, I got gaskets, sensors, pretty much a flush all of like my carbon and all this shit in there.
Yeah, and he also got
TURBSKIS,
some twin TURBSKIS. So he's gonna twin turbo this car. What else do you have to do before you twin turbo it?
I need like a fuel system. I need and like all like the little supporting mods, oil cooler, tranny cooler. I need to fix some of my suspension stuff. Put the hood on here.
So he oh yeah.
I gotta cut it open. Yeah, I mean we can throw it on.
So he went to one of the shops that are local around here, for all the Infinity shops, and they didn't.
They didn't. So when you shut his hood, you gotta like make sure you push it down all the way and listen for the click. They never listened for the click, so he got 30 feet down the road, and the hood went scoot, came off. So he got brand new fenders, brand new hood, and all charged by the shop. So
yeah, so they didn't do their job. But they bought him a new hood. It just took a couple weeks, but he's gonna do that. And then the twin TURBSKIS, guys. This is gonna be freaking sick. So I guess we're just gonna put his hood on right now. Oh, I just broke it. Let's get this hood out and see what he's got. A carbon fiber hood. Dude, it's gonna be so heavy, dude. Be careful. Don't throw your back out.
Dude, carbon fiber.
So what is this? Carbon Creations? Nice. Carbon Creations hood. We're gonna install that real quick for him.
Look at your mouth.
So these are the turbos he got. They're just little baby Garretts. Probably be good to run like 8 pounds, and this thing would make decent power. And as you know, he gutted out this car. I made a whole another video about this car, but this thing's pretty gutted. Once it's making like 400. What do you make now? Like 300?
Probably like 270, 280.
280.
I haven't been tuned.
So once this thing makes like 3 something, it's gonna roll out. Even close to 4, the thing's gonna roll out because it's probably pretty light. We should take it to the scales one day, see how much it actually weighs.
Yeah, that's what I'm meaning.
There's a scale right by my house, so we could do that. But let me get this turbo out your way. Let's go right around hoodless. Oh yeah, screw it, unscrew it. Oh, big body out here.
Lay it on there.
All right, look at this, guys. Brand new carbon with the hood vennies.
Yeah, I'll do the screws over there.
Stick it in there. Well, this guy has to go find bolts for this car. We're gonna catch up with him in another time. We're just going to update you guys on Michael's car because we've got a squad that's gonna be rolling in deep. Zach's car, my car, Chris's car, everybody's car. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to see more of his G35, follow him on Instagram right here on Zach's face. Comment or subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I